Now that we've covered design fundamentals, let's talk about the tools that help you bring your ideas to life and run a smooth, professional web design business. Because knowing what to use and when can save you hours, impress your clients, and help you deliver better results faster. Let's start with the design phase where everything begins. Figma. Figma is the go-to tool for UI/UX design. It's browser-based, so you can collaborate in real time, and it's incredibly intuitive. You'll use Figma to wireframe, prototype, and create pixel-perfect designs before you ever touch code or a website builder. It's perfect for client presentations and internal workflows, and it integrates well with tools like FigJam for brainstorming. Bottom line, if you're serious about design, Figma is a must. Now, once the design is approved, it's time to build. Here's where your platform choice depends on your project and client needs. WordPress powers over 40% of the internet for a reason. It's flexible, scalable, and client-friendly. You can use it with visual builders like Elementor, Divi, or Gutenberg to create custom layouts without deep coding knowledge. It's especially great for blogs, business sites, or content-heavy projects. With the right themes and plugins, WordPress becomes incredibly powerful, but it does require regular updates and maintenance. Webflow is a favorite among modern designers for a reason. It gives you visual control and clean code output. It's ideal for portfolio sites, startups, or clients who want design-forward, interactive experiences. You can build with precision and host directly on Webflow, which simplifies deployment. If you want more creative freedom without getting into full development, Webflow is your best friend. Shopify. If you're building e-commerce stores, Shopify is the most streamlined way to go. It's user-friendly for both designers and clients, and you don't have to worry about plugins, security, or hosting. Design-wise, you can customize themes or work with Shopify's Liquid Code for advanced changes. It's perfect for product-based businesses. Framer is newer to the scene but gaining popularity fast. It blends the best of Webflow and Figma, design and development in one sleek visual editor. It's especially good for one-page sites, product pages, and startups. Clients love the ease of editing. You'll love the modern design controls. Now, beyond design and build, here are a few support tools you'll want to master. Loom. Record walkthrough videos for client feedback or handovers. Notion or Trello. Manage projects, timelines, and task lists. Google Workspace, professional email, docs, and file sharing. Stripe or PayPal. Invoicing and collecting payments smoothly. Calendly. Schedule meetings without back-and-forth emails. The best part? You don't need to use all of these at once. Start simple. Get great at one design tool and one build platform, then expand based on your client's needs. What matters most is this: your tools should support your creativity, not slow you down. In the next lesson, we'll dive into a key question every new designer asks. Should I focus on design or development? And how do you decide where you fit? Let's keep building.